make the sandwich, we need sandwich bread, cucumber, tomatoes, mayonnaise, and some black pepper. Once all the items are there, the first step is boil the eggs. When the egg is boiled, we have to cut the cucumber and tomato into a slice. Step is smash the egg and pour some salt and black pepper. After that, we must add mayonnaise and mix it together. After the mixture are ready, we must pour it on the bread. We can put the cucumber and the tomato into the bread. The sandwich are ready to serve. Remember friends, we must eat healthy because health is one of our life. And remember the word, health is wealth.